Sabrina's back now to tell us how to make our own body wash. How do you do it?
So I get mason jars, and the mason jars a lot of times you can buy them at Walmart, or you can get the pump all in one together on Amazon. I typically have a lot of mason jars on hand, or I buy a case of them, and then I buy these pumps on Amazon, and I'll post a link to where you can get those. So to make your own body wash, you're going to want to use the Pure Castile soap from Dr. Bronner's, the baby unscented is what I use. And I usually make about a half of these at a time in case I want to change the oils that I want to use. So I will fill this 16-ounce pint jar halfway with the Castile soap. This is a 32 ounce. You can also get a bigger size too at the store. And then I add extra moisturizers, like I add about a teaspoon of vitamin E oil to it. And then I also add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin to it. And then from there I pick which oils that I want. And lately I've been doing tea tree and purification. Total, as far as the amount of drops that you want to use, if you fill it halfway, about 5 drops is plenty. If you fill it full, 10 drops is about what you want to use of your oils. And you can do a blend if you want, or just one. It's up to you, whatever your preference is. I like to pick oils that are going to be good cleaning oils or uplifting oils, or you can even make different ones if you want a more relaxing bath time oil, especially for kids. If you want to do like a lavender or something like that to calm and relax. For the body wash, I use the regular liquid pump versus the foaming pump, and that seems to work really well. It doesn't get clogged or anything like that, and I love it. It's been so much better for my skin, especially in the winter. It doesn't dry my skin out like some of the stuff I used to use.
Thank you.